Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about. My high-efficiency air conditioner is making a loud noise. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about my high-efficiency air conditioner is making a loud noise is en.wikipedia.org. See the page titled Air Conditioning, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.walmart.com, especially the page Keystone 8000 BTU High Efficiency Window Air Conditioner. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.elitecomfortsystems.com. The web page Why is my air conditioner making a dripping noise? Elite. This is the link.